Introducing JR Furnaces Advanced Annealing Furnaces, built for excellence. Energy-efficient design reduces operational costs while maintaining high productivity, durability, and longevity. Made with high-quality materials for reliable, long-lasting performance. Low maintenance. Engineered for minimal upkeep. Advanced temperature control ensures uniform heating for consistent quality. Enhanced spheroidization, suitable for cold forging applications with reduced decarburization. PLC and SCADA integration enables precise automation and real-time data analysis. Compliance meets AMS2750 and CQI-9 standards. Capacity range available from 5 metric tons to 50 metric tons. Versatile applications ideal for spheroidized annealing of high-tensile fasteners and industrial wires, particularly CHQ wires. With over 40 years of experience and more than 500 installations worldwide, JR Furnace is trusted by industries around the globe. Choose JR Furnace for innovation, reliability, and unmatched performance in annealing technology.